Welcome back to Cosmetics Anonymous. I am your favorite new mama, Bougie Vintage, and today's video is a makeup tutorial. I wanted to do this because when I saw SZA's makeup, you guys, at the Met Gala, I was offended. SZA is my bitch. That's my girl. You know, I love SZA, love her music, always have, and I just was not impressed with her makeup. Whoever did her makeup at the Met Gala or for the Met Gala needs to be slapped 2 times, needs to be sued, needs to be dragged for filth. I feel like it was like an amateur makeup artist. They didn't use products that were sweat proof at least, so that SZA's upper mouth area wouldn't look crazy. It was sweat off to the point it looked like there was a mustache there. It was all bad. So I wanted to recreate SZA's look. Everybody's recreating Kim Kardashian's look because Kim's eye makeup was actually quite gorgeous, but it was just a smoky eye with full lashes. You expect Kim to look good, but I felt like SZA's makeup had so much potential. They just had my girl fucked up. So they always playing SZA. Today is not the day to play SZA. Today's the day we're gonna teach motherfuckers a lesson. This is my MAC Fix Plus in Pink Light. SZA had on a very pretty Versace dress. This kind of just goes with her dress. I'm obviously going to use a second primer, but right now I'm just going to get my eyebrows situated. For brows, I'll be taking my Benefit Ka-Brow. Oh my god, I'm so disorganized. My mirror is not even in here. Honestly, I might have to break out my browsing kit because these brows need to be tamed, baby. I just want the tweezers. I got a few hairs out of place. These tweezers are so cute. I just gotta get a couple of these hairs out of the way. Ooh, hate plucking. Oh my god. I'm just gonna go ahead and cover the lid because we can use that as a sort of primer for the shadow. Pointers to SZA's makeup artist. This is a waterproof concealer I'm using here. It's been 18 minutes. I am going to take my 24-hour brow setter and I'm gonna set my brows in place. Then we can start beating this face down because this took way too long. So SZA's eye makeup look was really simple. It wasn't anything too complicated. I'm going to start with my Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S, and you're going to select a brown shade for your crease. I'm going to go with Zulu. So I'm going to take Zulu through Dread and Fun. And I'm starting on the inside here. Her bangs are in the way, so a lot of her makeup gets a little covered, but so we lay down the brown. I almost feel as though her makeup is incomplete. Like, oh my gosh. The gold she has on the inner corners is like a really flat gold. I do have a flat gold. I just can't find it. Out of the Prism palette, we're going to take Pyramid. I may mix Pyramid with another shade. I'm actually so pissed because the gold I have is so perfect for this. And I used it the other day and I have no idea where the hell it is. Since I'm not going to be able to flatten the gold shade, I'm going to go into my Saharan palette and take this shade here. That shade is called Wodabe. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced glitter glue. Sorry that it's unfocused. Her eye look was really incomplete to me. Like, I don't know what happened. She only has her blue color shade like halfway on the lid. And then I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty palette and I'm going to take the shade Space Out. Even though I feel like SZA had on an actual glitter, I feel like this is the perfect shade. It's very similar to what she had on her lid. Honestly, her shit just looks super slapped together. Every time I look at the picture I get frustrated because the makeup artist literally left this off. Like, they didn't do anything there. She has a wing liner and I'm gonna do that now, but her eyelash was literally coming off. Like, come on, man. This is not cool. She doesn't have any liner on the lower lash line, on the waterline. I was genuinely upset when I saw SZA's makeup. She looked like a doll from far, but the makeup artist in me, honey, I could tell something was wrong, so I zoomed into the photo and there it was. There it was, honey. Because literally the makeup look had so much potential, but for days I've been trying to figure out her nose contour. Like, I feel naked not putting any eyeshadow in there. So I'm just going to fill it in with the brown color because I don't know what these people really had my good sis looking like. There's no definition around the blue, like. And my shit still looks better than hers. I don't know about this look here. So I'm going to put my lashes on now. For lashes, I'm going with La Belle by Lady Lashes. So now we're going to do some mascara on the top. Alright, and now we can get down to business. I'll be using my Benefit Professional. And remember, we already sprayed our face with the MAC Fix Plus. So a waterproof foundation would be my MAC Face and Body, but I'm not using that today. I'm going to color correct with my LA Girl Orange Corrector. Now, just like SZA, I'm a hairy girl, so I totally get the whole sweaty upper lip thing. It comes with the territory of having a mustache. She didn't have a mustache, even though some people were saying she did. She did not have a mustache. Her facial hair was definitely gone. But when you sweat in that area, you definitely lose makeup. Your makeup will be wiping away. Like, did they not use a setting spray? I need to talk to the makeup artist. I need to know what happened. Because it's not SZA's fault. You can't help that you sweat, you know? But that shit was wiped off. Like, it looked like somebody wiped it off. I'm going to go in with my ABH foundation. This is a pretty long wearing foundation as well. It could have been an option for her. And we're going to blend that out. I'll now be taking my NARS concealer in Almond. Even though her under eye area does seem quite highlighted, I'm not going to go overboard with the highlight because her makeup is on the more natural side, even though she's heavily blushed, and I think that's actually what's making her under eye area look more highlighted than it actually is. But there was even pictures of her her contour from the side profile, and I was just in shock. I was like, why is her shit looking like this? Like, who got paid to do this, or who didn't get paid? Was somebody not getting paid and they decided they were just gonna do a half-ass job? Like, I need to know the T, the 411. Okay, who I gotta call? I need to talk to somebody, honey. I do. Top dog, like, which one of your sisters did you guys hire to do this girl's makeup? Because we're not going to let this shit slide again, okay? We're definitely not letting this shit slide. The next time SZA has an appearance to make, y'all better call the right damn people. I'm not even going to touch on the nose contour that they had on this poor girl. Like, you guys, it was so horrendous. I was in shock. It was like they highlighted where they were supposed to contour, and they contoured where they were supposed to highlight, and there was like a brown speck of makeup on her nose, and it was just all bad. I was offended. So I'm not even going to cream contour today. I am just going to powder contour. Firstly, I'm going to set my face with my banana powder. I'm going with banana today because she looks very yellow in the photos. Bless me. To contour my nose, I'll be taking my Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And we're gonna add a little bit of the Chocolate Soleil bronzer to the hollows of our face. But then I'm just gonna put a whole bunch of blush on because that's more how her look was. She didn't really have a brown contour. She had on a lot of blush. I'm going to take Raisin blush by MAC. She had bangs, so there wasn't too much focus on her forehead. I'm going to dust away my banana powder now. What's crazy is that I don't even see a proper highlight on this lady. Like, I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Fire Crystal. It's this side. I see her nose is highlighted. It's just highlighted very weird. I'm going to apply some mascara to the lower lashes. There's nothing else going on down there on that. Like literally no eyeliner, nothing. I'm going to line my lips with a brown shade. And then I'm going to take Carousel Lip Gloss by MAC. I'm going to set my face with my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Okay, so SZA also had two little teardrops coming right here. I don't have the color she got, honey, so... Okay, so the teardrops aren't exact. They're not as droopy. It wasn't originally gold, so I had to turn it gold, child. Mine look like some damn Easter eggs. But it's okay. Her teardrops look better. My makeup looks better. And so, to turn them gold, I just put some glitter glue on it and put some Fenty Beauty highlighter on it. Trophy wipe. So, this is the finished look. I know my teardrops ain't shit. The look is better without the teardrops. But this is my SZA recreation because they had her makeup up at the fucking Met Gala. Like, that girl's makeup was a mess. Messity mess. So I'm just going to zoom in because what we have here is some unfinished shadow, a winged liner, and some lashes. Her lash was lifting in the middle. Is mine lifting? Nope. It was really simple and really easy to recreate the look. Then we have our two Easter eggs on our face. And a way to recreate those exact teardrops is to use a glue gun and create the teardrops to be thin and long, and then peel them off of whatever surface you make them on, and then stick them on your face and paint them gold. But yeah, it's ironic that she had two teardrops coming off of her face because I would be crying too if my makeup looked like that. Like, oh my goodness, fire the makeup artist immediately, okay? But yeah, bold contour with blush. We didn't really use a contour powder to do our contour. We didn't do a backwards contour on the nose, child, whatever the hell. I don't know what. Listen, man, I'm not here for it. Anyway, you guys, I love you all, and I'll definitely see you in the next one.